to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the benefits of using a BNY Mellon credit card. So the benefit of using a BNY Mellon credit card includes a fraud detection, zero liability for unauthorized purchases and damage on and advance earning. Now, first of all, BNY Mellon is known for providing a strong customer service officer assistant with account management, debt resolution, and other needs. Now, as a part of a major financial institution, BNY Mellon credit card also accepts both domestically and internationally. Now, depending on the card, you might receive additional perks such as insurance, purchase protection, extended warranties, and access to exclusive event or finances. So a cardholder often have an access to financial management tools, including spending tracking, budgeting tools, and financial planning resources. In order to get specific details about a particular BNY Mellon credit card and its benefit, it is best to the card terms of conditions and contact BNY Mellon directly. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.